Hey, Tapping Airlines Math Industry, and we are gonna take a look at if the compound was not 100 grams. So we have been taking a look at empirical formulas and trying to simplify them. But what happened if the compound we got was not equal to 100 grams? So here's a scenario. You are trying to find the empirical formula with this, and this. Carbon, hydrogen, and chlorine. So, not chlorine. Ci. So when you got those, you found out if the compound weighed 100 grams, you would put them in their respective numbers without the percentages. So now they're each grams. Then you found the atomic masses of all the different elements and divide them to get the number of moles. Then you divide by the number of moles to get chlorine 1, 2 hydrogen atoms, and 1 carbon atom. But there is a little problem about this problem. This happens if the atom, or the molecule, was 100 grams in total. What we got here is just how much each element is covered by each mass. How much each element takes up a certain percentage of the entire compound with mass. So instead of 100 grams, what if the atom what if the molecule was more or less than 99 grams? So what we're gonna do is put 99 on the top, because that is how many grams that we're trying to find if the compound weighed that much. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add up all of the molar masses that we got for here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this plus that, because these are the different molar masses for each of the different elements. We're gonna get an answer of around 48.46. 99 divided by 48.46 is going to bring you to around 1.999164. But when we have this, since this is more than 0.9, we are allowed to round it to 2. So what that 2 represents is we are going to have to change our answer. 1 carbon atom, 2 hydrogen atoms, and 1 chlorine atom. If that was for 100 grams, how much would there be if we had 99 grams? So let's rewrite the formula. C1H2C1. And what we gotta do is that number 2 is indicating that we have to multiply everything by 2 as if you were doing the distributive property in mathematics. So this, that. So now it becomes our empirical formula. It's going to become C2H4Ci2. So that's going to be our answer. C2H4Ci2. And that is how we understand how to find the formula, the empirical formula, if the compound was not 100 grams, but something else. I hope this video has helped you understand if the compound was not 100 grams. Thank you for watching Tapping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe.